Hey everybody, welcome back to Maverick How To. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Polaris factory rear view mirror right here. So let's get at it and see how it looks. First thing we're going to do, take these U-bolts, pop them right on there. Same for the other side. Then you're going to take your mirror. This is a number 5 Allen wrench. Place that up there. Start it by hand. You want to use the socket one here. That'll be probably the easiest. Put that out of the way there. If you want to use an extension, you can, but it really isn't necessary. That's all there is to it. So let's see what it looks like here from the back. I know it's kind of hard to see here, but if you look in the mirror, you can definitely see the open spot. So if you're having any questions trying to figure out whether you want to install a mirror there that you didn't know if you could see out the back with the factory spare tire carrier, there you go. So now you know you can. I think it looks great. And you can definitely see behind you with the factory spare tire carrier. That was important to me. So if you're looking for any Polaris accessories or any new machines, used machines, they have all kinds of stuff, parts, you name it, go to Unlimited Cycle Center in Tyrone, PA. They'll hook you up and get you whatever you need. They have a great team, and special thanks out to them. So I'll see you guys out on the trail. Unlimited Cycle Center, family owned and operated since 1995, featuring 5 major brands under one roof, including Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Polaris, and Can-Am, plus a huge pre-owned Harley-Davidson selection. Sales, parts, service, all inside a massive 30,000 square foot showroom. Unlimited Cycle Center. Live life unlimited.